Yeah.
It looks like hair.
Yeah, that's a corn hair.
They would die when the corn will form.
No, they won't die.
Pero alam nyo ba, tama pala yung sinabi ng anak ko dahil itong corn hair or corn silk kapag nag-dry and brown, ibig sabihin nun ay nagfo-form na yung kanyang corn kernel sa loob. Yung isang hibla kasi nitong corn hair ay nagre-represent ng isang butil ng mais. Ito yung sagot ni ChatGPT. The corn silk or corn hair naturally dries and dies once the kernels start forming. Fresh silk equals active pollination. Pollination successful equals kernels begin developing. Each silk corresponds to one kernel. Once a silk is pollinated, it stops growing and soon begins to dry up. Silks turn brown and dry. This is a normal sign that pollination is done and kernels are now forming inside. Kaya tama yung sinabi ng anak ko.
It looks like hair. They would die when the corn will form.